we've been dropped off on the outskirts of Reykjavik at our hotel. Can't check in yet, so we're going to go right into the city centre and have a look around. Wrapped up. The cathedral, the main cathedral in Reykjavik, is 1 mile away in that direction. You can see the cathedral just behind the trees in the distance. But in the meantime, we have another very nice looking church. Love its pointed tops. Skirts of Reykjavik appears a lot quieter. Lots of cars, but not many people around. Yeah, we've noticed a lot of the roofs, not all of them, but a lot of them are made out of corrugated metal. This here is a Punkert museum, which looks absolutely cool. But guess what? It's closed. It's a shame. But he's got a headache. This is good. All the maps are free. Generally speaking, we've seen very little litter. And although it's the capital of Iceland, I wouldn't say it's kind of overly busy and it's not crammed with too much activity for a capital city. How lucky are we? I'm looking at the lovely houses over there. Look at that. Perhaps if we were here a different time of year, it might be busier. But it's June. I think July is the busiest month in Iceland. Please leave a comment if you feel it's a different time of the year. That's my understanding. But yeah, this is delightful. Loving Reykjavik. Really nice place. We thought we'd sit on the bench for a while and enjoy this park. Mermaid of Reykjavik, I guess. This is the oldest house in Reykjavik. This is Reykjavik's concert hall. Very modern looking. Just, I say started to rain, it's trying to rain. We've got to walk back to our hotel, which is about a mile away. But hey, we can walk off our dinner. It's been a really good afternoon, really enjoyed walking around Reykjavik. And we're having one final look at the church before we head back. This is our room. This is nice before we head home tomorrow morning.
Good morning from Iceland. This is our final view. If it was sunny, that would be truly stunning because you can see the mountains, but obviously there's a lot of mist today. We're leaving just at the right time, I think. There's the cathedral and the beautiful church we visited yesterday. This is our balcony room. Definitely got an upgrade, only paid for a double standard. Love an upgrade. It's been a fabulous holiday. Thank you, Iceland. I think we might even come back, you know. Lots more to do, probably. Back into the room. Look at this beautiful room. We definitely had an upgrade. Definitely had an upgrade. Hopefully the bus will pick us up at 6 a.m.